Hallo en welkom by ons derde les van Extra Afrikaans. Hello and welcome to our third lesson of Extra Afrikaans. In this series today we'll be dealing with definite and indefinite articles. Now, this is one of the things that makes Afrikaans one of the easiest languages, if not the easiest language for English learners to learn. And we'll get down to them quickly. Definite articles, and they sound big and important, but articles essentially are in English that'll be the definite article, and the indefinite article is a or an. For example, definite article would be the house, the car, the bowl. And an indefinite article would be a house, a car, a rabbit. Okay, very simple, but even simpler in Afrikaans than in English, and I'll show you why. So firstly, let's just start with what is a noun. It's very important to know. I know most of you out there know already, but we'll just say a noun is a thing, a person, or a place. Generally something you can touch, feel, smell, etc. Although there are abstract nouns, of course, like love and hate and all these sort of things. But in general, a noun is that. Now, this is what makes Afrikaans easy. Nouns do not have a gender at all. You know, in Spanish, for example, you've got a male and a female noun. In German, you have a male, a female, and a neuter. And all these nouns that change all the grammar and just make life so complicated. But no, in Afrikaans, it's very simple. No gender. All nouns are equal. And that makes it very easy when we get to the articles, and I'll show you why now very soon. And also, another thing that makes it simple is the definite article does not change based on the number. For example, the singular and the plural both take the definite article die, which is the, die huis, die huise, die kar, die karre, die hond, die honde. But I'll show you more examples now. So let's get down to the definite article. First things first, I'm going to just read out the Afrikaans for you, and then I'm going to read you the English, so you can get a bit of a feel for how this works, and you can sort of see that it's really as simple as I say it is. So in this column, we've got the singular nouns. In this column, we've got the plural nouns. So I've put them next to each other so you can see that nothing changes. Okay, and it's very similar to English. So we've got die vriend, which is the friend, die bank, die badkamer, die kar, die kat, die boeke, die seuns, and this is the plural, die meisies, die telefone, die honde. So it's very important to note here is that die is the equivalent of the, and that it doesn't change based on the number. So singular, plural, it stays the same. And we use this when we want to refer to something specific. Okay, it's definite, it's specific. The friend, the bank, the bathroom, die vriend, die bank, die badkamer. Not some general object everywhere in the world. No, this one, or the friend, the bank. Okay, next, the indefinite article. And this one is also very easy, but it's got one little complication, and I think you'll find it quite funny probably. We've got the indefinite article in Afrikaans, which is the equivalent of or an, is literally a. Now it looks funny, it looks like an N, but it really is a. It's exactly the same as the English sound a. Okay? Looks different, sounds the same, works the same as well. Except we don't have that complication with and an. Never changes, it always stays the same. And it means exactly the same as that in English, and is used before a noun and implies the thing referred to is non-specific. Okay? And like I said, despite appearances, is pronounced the same as I in the English words tin, sin, dinner. Very simple. Okay? Interesting story. Why does it work like that? Actually, in Dutch, and later you'll see in Afrikaans as well, the word for one is een. Een. And what's happened is we've cut off the EE and we just say which is a funny little story of history in Afrikaans, but very simple to learn. So again, I've done the same. I'm going to give you some examples here. Of course, you can't use the plural with the indefinite article because that just makes no sense. But here we go, like in English, although in English also, you wouldn't say stores. You would say a store. In Afrikaans, just the same. We don't use plurals with indefinite articles. So we have here a bier, a bord kos, a sister, a kerk, 'n uitnodiging, 'n les, 'n stad, 'n winkel, 'n venster, 'n lied, 'n gesprek, 'n illusie, 'n televisie, 'n week. And that is it for this week. It was a very simple lesson. We're just dealing with the quick definite and indefinite articles. Next time, we're going to be doing plurals. Now, plurals in Afrikaans are a slightly different bag to this easy little lesson. Not too complicated, but we'll break them down for you. And if you like this video, please like, share, or comment on the video so that I can make more videos for you. I'm currently working on a website and a textbook full of exercises based on these lessons so that you can get through Afrikaans in lightning speed. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.